You are all invited. Let's have waakye, beautiful people. You are invited. Hi beautiful people, welcome back once again to Dacty for You's channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I make my waakye recipe. Here are the ingredients that you'll be needing for this recipe. Right, so I have here 1 cup of rice, 1.5 cup of black-eyed beans that I soaked overnight, 1 small onion chopped, a piece of ginger cut, 1 tablespoon of herring powder, fish powder, 1 tablespoon of fish powder. Guys, you can use shrimp powder or chicken powder, but guys, this one is optional. You can decide to take it out. The fish powder is optional in this recipe. So I have here a kale that I have soaked in water. I have millet leaves. Guys, I got the millet leaves from my local African market. The salt petra from my local African market. That is a kale. I got the kale from my local African market. 1 tablespoon of oil, cooking, a 1/4 tablespoon of rosemary, the dry ones. You can use the fresh one. 1 bay leaf. So guys, let's get into this recipe. But before we start this recipe, I want to give a shout out to some sisters here on YouTube. The first person is Cooking with Gifty. Guys, if you don't have Cooking with Gifty, please make sure that you check her channel out and you are going to love it there. One person is Fauzia Mola. Guys, if you don't have Fauzia Mola, please make sure that you check Fauzia Mola's channel out and you are going to love Fauzia. She is very supportive, so please check her out. I have my beans on fire now, so at this time I'm going to wash the millet leaves and then add it in, and then add the onions, ginger, the rosemary and the bay leaf in it, and cover it. Let it cook for about 20 minutes. I'm going to cover it. It's been 20 minutes now, and we're going to take out the millet leaves from it, and then we add in the rice, which is already washed, and then the oil, salt to taste, and the fish powder to it. Then we stir everything in, lower our heat and let it be on fire and cover it. We're going to stir everything in and then taste for salt, and then cover it and lower our heat. Let it be on fire for 30 to 35 minutes, then our rice is ready. So it's been 20 minutes now, and this is how the rice is looking like. At this time I'm going to lower the heat and then cover it with aluminum foil and let it be on fire for another 10 to 15 minutes, then our rice is ready. So this is how I make my waakye, Ghanaian waakye recipe. Beautiful people, if you love this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for future uploads. And please don't forget to share this with your family and friends, and they are going to thank you later. They will be grateful. People, you can eat this with normal beef stew, pepper sauce, Ghanaian shito. You can eat it with tomato stew. It goes well with anything. You can add gari to it, salad to it, chicken, beef, fish. Guys, you will love it. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day, people. Bye bye.